Hello, welcome back. And this video we will talk about the 2019 October exam, section 4, question 15. Okay. In this question, we are looking at a topic on geometry. So let's take a look at this question. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 50 degrees. If triangle ABC is isosceles, which of the following is not a possible measure of angle B? The key idea in this question is that how many kinds of isosceles triangles can you think of, and can you account for all the possibilities so that you will be able to answer this question correctly. So we will have the triangle right here, and I'm going to put a few more triangles here just in case we have other kind of combination. And so we go. Okay, so we have A, B, and C. So angle A is 50 right here, 50 degrees, assuming that these two sides are the equivalent sides. So we can calculate our base angles. They would be the same. So understanding that the sum of triangle, it's always 180 degrees. So sum of angles in triangles. Sum of angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So we can calculate that the total of these two angles would be 130. So you divide it by 2. So angle B would have a 65 degrees. So 65 degrees is out. It could be the case. Okay. Now, angle A could also be one of the base angles. So if we change the letters like A, B, and C like this, so A would be 50 degrees, and B would also be 50 degrees, and C in this case would be 80 degrees. Okay, so in this case, angle B would be 50 degrees. So 50 degrees is also possible for this isosceles triangle. Now, let's think about what happens when we switch the letters again. So if we have A, B, and C, so angle A is, again, 50 degrees given, and angle Z in this case would also be 50 degrees. And so now we think about, what could angle B be? So again, using the concept of all the angles in a triangle should add up to 180 degrees, and we have the two base angles to add up to 100 degrees. So in this case, angle B would be 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. So 80 degrees is not possible. It's also possible for angle B. So that leaves us with only one possible answer, which is the 100 degrees. It's not possible for angle B to be 100 degrees. So to answer this question correctly, the key idea, okay, is that do you know isosceles triangle? And if you do, how many combinations can you think of? And what I showed you here is that after you draw a triangle, you think about, okay, you can actually switch around the letters so that you consider the possibilities that the triangle could be. Okay, since the question did not indicate which letter, it's the vertex, so every single letter right there, A, B, or C, could be the vertex. So that's why we draw 3 triangles, and we assume we will assume that these are all possible, and we look into every single one of these scenarios. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to get more explanation videos for the 2019 October exam, for the math portion, there's a little playlist right here. You can click that and you can watch other videos as well. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon.